Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the wonders of nature. Today we have a fascinating plant to showcase, Sagittaria latifolia, also known as the broadleaf arrowhead. Join us as we delve into its history, unique characteristics, growing conditions, companion planting, and uses. Broadleaf arrowhead is a native aquatic perennial plant found in wetlands across North America. Its arrowhead-shaped leaves and beautiful white flowers make it a captivating addition to any water garden or natural pond setting. These plants thrive in marshy areas, shallow ponds, and slow-moving streams. It is well adapted to growing in water, with its roots submerged and its leaves emerging above the surface. Broadleaf arrowhead prefers full sun to partial shade and requires moist or even wet soil conditions. It can tolerate a wide range of soil types, including sandy or clayey soils. Regular watering or the presence of shallow water is crucial for its optimum growth. Companion planting can enhance the beauty and ecological balance of a water garden. Broadleaf arrowhead can be paired with other aquatic plants such as water lilies and cattails. This creates a diverse ecosystem, providing habitats for various aquatic organisms and contributing to water quality improvement. Apart from its aesthetic value, Sagittaria latifolia has practical uses as well. The edible tubers produced by the plant are starchy and nutritious, making them a valuable food source for both humans and wildlife. Native American tribes traditionally harvested and consumed the tubers. In landscape, broadleaf arrowhead is a popular choice for creating a naturalistic water feature and restoring wetland habitats. Its presence helps maintain a healthy ecosystem by providing shade, oxygenation, and habitat for aquatic life. And there you have it, the captivating broadleaf arrowhead, with its broad arrowhead leaves and its vital role in aquatic environments. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating plant profiles and nature-inspired content. Until next time.